and then decided to have a business na lang, no? Yeah, for some of you, Cancer. And then for some of you naman, baka mag-change of career kayo when it comes to job, no? Nag-apply kayo sa ibang work, no? Something like that, no? So, maraming mag-o-open, no? So, kumbaga ay ito, kung sinabi kasi ditong open, so, expect na magiging maganda yung result, no? For some of you na nag-a-apply, ay baka for this week matatanggap na kayo, may marireceive kayong tawag, no? Kasi mag-o-open na no? O, doors are opening, no? For a new career, no? New business. So, matutuloy na, no? For some of you, kung ito yung nasisense ko. So, what else? So, you are brave enough, no? Worthy, no? So, yan, no? So, sinasabi dito, kaya mo yan, no? Kumbaga, baka for some of you na magbi-business pa lang, no? First time to have a business, huwag kayong matakot, no? So, maniwala lang kayo sa sarili nyo, no? Kayang-kaya nyo yan, no? Whatever it is, lakasan yung loob nyo, no? Sa umpisa, talagang mahirap yan. Wag kayong mag-expect na magbo-boom, no? Always expect na yung may ups and downs kasi talaga when it comes to business, no? Kailangan lang talaga dyan ay tiyaga, and of course ay hindi mag-give up, no? Something like that, no? And of course, kung may tiwala kayo sa sarili nyo, magagawa nyo yan, no? Mauumpisahan nyo yan. And eventually, kung sa tamang proseso, sa pagtsatsaga, right? Pagdadasal, magkakaroon ng progress yan, right? And then what else? Higher position, respected. So yan, no, for some of you, no, baka may promotion din, no? Yeah, magkakaroon ng promotion. So this is a confirmation for you, no? For some of you, Cancer, maybe you are with naka-line up na kayo sa mga kumbaga getting a higher position sa company, no? So meron na dito, no, for some of you ay talagang makukuha niyo yung posisyon na gusto ninyo, no? So maganda yung career ninyo ngayon, mga Cancer natin. So let's see what's the possible lucky numbers for you within this week, Cancer, or kung may color tayong makuha, no, for you. So kuha tayo dito ng 3 cards. 3 cards for you, Cancer. Possible lucky numbers. So, yeah. 1, 2,